our customers started wanting to know more about the food that they were eating. Kafoodle was one of the only platforms we found out there that actually had a really user-friendly front end. I'm Emily Warburton. I'm the co-founder of Pow Food. We are a B-Corp certified catering company, the first female-led B-Corp catering company in the UK. And I'm also the head of sustainability. So when we started in 2018, it was before Natasha's Law. It was before people really understood about transparency in nutrition and I think quality of ingredients. That's been a huge shift over the last 5 years, where people really want to know where their food is coming from, what's in it, and the nutritional value behind it. It's platforms like Kafoodle that have really helped us be able to communicate and have the information to hand to respond to this. We're able to, without Kafoodle, we wouldn't be able to have the insight into all of our recipes and the nutritional information, the allergens at hand in such a clear way. We use it for everything now. It's given us a lot of insight and really improved the availability of information for us to cost out all of our recipes. The label production, if we took away food, it would be we'd really miss the label production, the nutritional information to hand, the recipe costings to hand, and more recently, the carbon readings to hand. I think it's incredibly worth it from a time perspective, an efficiency perspective, clarity perspective. From the previous ones that we've been using, it's the fastest, it's the most efficient, and it's enabled us to streamline operations in that way.